Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with a 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a Toyota vehicle, having covered just over 21,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the metallic deep impact blue and looks in great condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. On the Fiesta, these seats are really comfy as well. And there's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your radio there in the centre with DAB and Bluetooth for your phone. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car's also got air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical, so good access there into the back for a small hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have a cup holder there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats too. And let's open the tailgate to reveal a really good sized boot there, nice and deep on the Fiesta, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, the first owner chose a spare wheel as a factory option, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance a car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.